Morning, how's everyone? Hope you had a wonderful weekend. We're here again with a review of the financial markets as well as the different commodities all over the world. So, is this the beginning of the end, or shall we brace ourselves for worse? It seems that the Americans are coming for the second round of dialogue, while the Iranians are fuming over their ship being taken over by the United States Navy, which they are calling an act of armed piracy. So, where does this all lead to? The markets have obviously been nervous because of this. Futures dropped overnight upon opening after the weekend. Oil prices did go up, however, they are lingering below the $100 a barrel mark. Gold prices are pretty much where they were, not much movement there. Bitcoin is also hovering around the 75,000 mark, not much movement there either. The euro has gained strength against the dollar in the last few hours as the markets have started to begin pairing their losses from last night. So it seems that the markets are somewhat wary of all the headlines that are coming out of this conflict and are beginning to see through this to the other side, which is the resolution of this conflict. But at the same time, it might be possible that the markets are underpricing the impact of this conflict because the conflict doesn't seem to have an end in sight. The Iranians are dragging their heels over the next round of talks. The Americans are threatening to bomb the entire country and their entire infrastructure, but at the same time, they're flying into Pakistan tomorrow for further round of talks. So it's all open to guessing. But I must say that if the Americans are coming from halfway across the world, not to mention that the forward parties, the forward teams have actually landed in Islamabad yesterday, shows that perhaps there is some headway in these talks. And the Iranians are also saying that they have made some progress. So fingers crossed. But in the meantime, be ready for any headlines that may cause volatility in the markets. Like I've been saying all along, this is a headline driven market. Any headline that comes out has an immediate impact on the markets. So watch out for that. And in the meantime, I think today the markets, whatever losses the markets have paired overnight, I think they will probably lose those gains and revert to the level where they were last night when the markets reopened after the weekend. So look for some degree of volatility in the markets, if not a great deal more, because I don't think we're going to see any sustained rally in the markets today. But stay tuned and we'll keep you posted.